Lulu, wake up! School time!
Ugh, 5 more minutes.
Today's school is special. A magical adventure awaits.
Magic? Okay, maybe I'll wake up for this.
Whoa! This is amazing!
Welcome to Magical Class. Let's discover your talents.
Maybe school isn't so boring after all. I can make something amazing!
Incredible, Lulu! You discovered your magical talent.
Wow, I did it!
What an adventure! Maybe school is fun after all.
Even a lazy cat can have magic inside. You just have to try.